Impressive amphibious buses designed to reach great speeds both on land and in water, which can navigate the river or the sea, transporting numerous tourists through the most important cities in the world. Welcome back to our channel. Let's take a look into the list of top 5 most amazing amphibious buses in the world. Before we start, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss any upcoming videos. Let's begin. Number 5. Le Canal de Paris. It is a new hybrid propulsion bus that has been manufactured in France, measuring 11 meters long by 3.9 meters high and has space for a total of 35 occupants. It is the first amphibious vehicle to obtain a license to be able to transport tourists on the roads and waterways of Paris. Take a 1-hour 40-minute tour, starting at the Eiffel Tower and passing through Champs-Élysées and the Seine River. When it is in the water, it works propelled by a 33 kilowatt electric motor that allows it to reach a speed of 10 kilometers per hour. Number 4. Ninja Bus Water Spider. It is a custom large capacity bus which was built in Japan in 2018 and was developed by the Koetech company using the chassis of an Isuzu truck. It is operated by 2 drivers and special accesses have been built on the lake to allow the bus to enter and exit. It measures 11.3 meters in length by 3.7 meters in height and has space for a total of 44 occupants. It used to transfer tourists from the city of Hakone between the shores of Lake Ashi every day. He made 6 journeys from 2 different places, and each journey lasted 45 minutes. Number 3. Skyduck. It is a popular tourist bus that is operated by the Japanese company Hinamaru Motor. It measures 12 meters in length by 3.8 meters in height and has space for a total of 46 occupants. The bus is built with a light frame and the windows and roof are only covered with folding fabric. It used to tour tourist attractions between the cities of Tokyo and Yokohama, making different tours that could last 80 minutes during their journeys. Tourists could see places of interest within the city and also pass by the Rainbow Bridge or the port of Tokyo. Number 2. Swimbus. It is a new generation bus that has been manufactured in Hungary. It is designed to prioritize the safety of its occupants and optimize performance both on the road and in the water. It measures 12 meters in length and 3.7 meters in height and has space for a total of 47 occupants. It has an engine with 285 horsepower and can reach a maximum speed of 120 kilometers per hour on land and 13 in the water. It is operated by the German company HafenCity RiverBus and is used for sightseeing tours in the city of Hamburg that can last 70 minutes in total. Number 1. Amfibus. It is a high-performance, high-capacity vehicle that has been built in the Netherlands. It began to be manufactured in 2009 and to be used for tourism in Amsterdam in 2019. Splash Bus Company developed the bus for 3 years and started doing sightseeing tours in Rotterdam and then Amsterdam. It is designed to provide maximum comfort and safety, and it has a space for a total of 47 passengers. It measures 13.8 meters long by 3.8 meters high and weighs 22 tons. It works powered by hydrojet engines and can reach a speed of 100 kilometers per hour on land and 15 in the water. So there you have it, the top 5 most amazing amphibious buses in the world. What do you think about these amazing buses? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.